Okay, so we're going to keep this video short and sweet. So what we're doing today is we're going to be testing out this product here to restore my very cloudy lenses. Okay, so this is the 3M Restore and Protect Headlight Restoration Kit. It's supposed to take about 30 minutes. It was only about $10 on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description for you guys if you feel like you need this. I also got this tape on there. You're going to need this as well. It comes with these instructions. So the kit comes with, it does not come with the tape. It comes with a glove. It comes with a 1000 grit and a 3000 grit for sanding. And this little tool here that we're going to be attaching these grits to. And then it comes with these clear coats that we're going to put on at the end. And then, of course, this doesn't come with it. And, of course, the Donner, the water bottle. Okay? So, anyways, the first step, you're going to be following the instructions. And the first thing that I did here, as you can tell, is I got some soap and some water. And I cleaned the lenses here. That's the first step. And I put some automotive tape all around there. You're going to want to do that to protect the paint on your car from these chemicals. You can see it's foggy. I thought my brights on my car were messed up, but someone told me maybe I should try cleaning my lenses, so that's what I'm going to be doing here today. So we're going to see how this works. Okay, just so you can get some perspective, what I'm doing here is, so I attached the 1000 grit to the black side of this orange pad here. This is for grip. And then you're not peeling anything like I originally thought. You're just kind of attaching it on there. It's Velcro. And then you're just putting in some elbow grease. You want to wet this part. I don't have a spray bottle, so I used a water bottle. But you want to make sure this is wet. And you're just going to scrub away. And then this says here that you're going to continue to do this until you don't see any more scratches. And any yellow layer light scratches are completely removed. So then I'm going to wipe the lens dry to see my progress. So you'll be able to read this in the instructions when you get it, of course. Okay, so it says what you're going to do is you're going to keep sanding this with the 1000 grit, like I've been doing, until the surface looks like it calls frosty. And if you see any clear, glossy, or uneven spots, continue sanding before moving to step 5. Okay, so I think this looks pretty frosty, so I'm going to move on to step number 5. ASMR. Okay, so it does say that it should still look hazy/frosty, so it's not perfect, but it does mention on the instructions that if you have like more excessive yellowing, then there is a more of a heavy-duty kit that you can purchase. But I'm just reviewing this kit for my car today. As you can see, I got a big old mess here now. So I took the tape off, and then I wiped it off with some water and a towel, and then now I'm about ready to do the next step, and I believe that includes the clear coats. Yeah, clear coats. Okay, so as you can see so far, I have applied the first coating of the clear coat. I still have to work on the other headlight, but as you can tell, there's actually a difference so far. It may not be perfect, but there is quite a difference between that light and this light. So I'm still working on this one, and then I will let this dry for 5 to 15 minutes, and it's looking good already. Like, it's looking so much better. You can actually see, like, it's shiny. Okay, so now I'm going to open the second wipe. I just finished the other light over here. Voila. Look how shiny that's looking good. So I just applied the clear coat to this. B-roll. Okay, now that's got to dry, and while that's drying, I'm over here. Obviously, probably some user error, or I just need the heavy duty kit. There's still a little bit of yellowing, but it is still much better looking. Looking much better. Okay, so I'm going to do the second coat now. Okay, so I just applied the clear coat to the first lens that I was working on here. That is from something else. But anyways, there's the first one. It's drying. Okay, now it's break time. And meet Portia. Okay, so the clear coat is drying on this one. I did 2 applications on this one. Okay, this is not perfect, but as you can tell, it is much clearer. So I probably would need the heavy duty kit, which I'll try to find a link for that if any of you guys think you need that too. Then this one is just looking beautiful. Like, look at this. That looks brand new. Like, that's amazing. For $10.